In 2026, the photography world is more electrified than ever with news about Hasselblad's upcoming medium format marvel, the X3D150C. This isn't another round of speculative chatter or online rumors. The details are coming from trusted sources within the photography industry confirming that the camera is in active development. The excitement only grew when a model designated HB722 appeared in an FCC filing in late 2024, accompanied by a 180-day confidentiality period. That points to a potential public unveiling around mid-2026, and now photographers, videographers, and enthusiasts alike are eagerly discussing what Hasselblad might bring to the table. Expectations are high, as the brand is known for combining technical mastery with a signature Scandinavian design philosophy, promising to push the boundaries of what medium-format cameras can deliver. The X3D150C is anticipated to go far beyond a simple incremental upgrade to the X2D. Hasselblad has always taken a measured, thoughtful approach to camera development, focusing on craftsmanship, precision, and uncompromising image quality, rather than rushing products to market. Each camera embodies the brand's philosophy of excellence, and early indications suggest the X3D150C could become one of the most ambitious medium-format cameras Hasselblad has ever created. It appears engineered to tackle the long-standing limitations of medium-format systems, such as slower operational speeds and limited versatility, while providing a platform that balances extreme performance with practical usability. This combination is expected to appeal to a broad spectrum of professionals, from meticulous studio photographers capturing fashion and product imagery, to fast-paced commercial shooters who need reliability without compromise. The heart of the camera is its sensor, which is generating some of the most excitement. Leaks suggest Hasselblad is working alongside Sony to develop a completely new medium-format sensor capable of producing 150 megapixels, with whispers of a potential 250 megapixel variant. Either configuration would outclass the 100MP sensor of the X2D and establish the X3D150C as a leader in digital resolution. But this isn't merely a battle of numbers. The increase in resolution offers photographers unprecedented creative flexibility. Cropping extensively, reframing shots, and producing massive prints will be possible without sacrificing clarity, color fidelity, or tonal depth. A sensor of this scale, however, also introduces formidable technical challenges. Managing enormous file sizes, processing data rapidly, and keeping the camera thermally stable during long sessions will all be critical to ensuring a professional-grade experience. To meet these demands, Hasselblad is likely creating an entirely new image processing platform designed to handle massive raw files with speed and reliability. Photographers working with ultra-high-resolution files require real-time previews, responsive operation, and a workflow that doesn't stall under heavy data loads. This will likely involve upgraded internal architecture, enhanced buffering systems, faster write speeds, and next-generation CFexpress storage. Sophisticated compression methods could also help reduce file sizes without any loss of image quality. For professionals who shoot high-volume sessions in fashion, fine art, or commercial work, these upgrades are essential. The goal is a system that empowers creativity, rather than slowing it down with technical limitations. Hasselblad has long been revered for its image quality, and the X3D150C is expected to raise the bar even higher. Medium-format sensors are celebrated for their ability to render smooth tonal transitions, accurate colors, and extraordinary dynamic range, and this next-generation sensor promises to amplify these strengths. Landscapes could be captured with breathtaking clarity across sweeping scenes, while studio photographers would be able to reproduce textures and intricate details that smaller formats struggle to convey. Hasselblad's signature color science, emphasizing subtle realism rather than exaggerated saturation, will likely remain central to the X3D150C, giving professionals images that are rich, natural, and ready for use straight out of the camera. Post-processing time could be significantly reduced, allowing creators to focus more on artistic vision than technical tweaks. Of course, with extreme resolution and processing power comes the challenge of heat and energy management. Ultra-high-resolution files generate substantial thermal output, and maintaining performance during extended shooting is critical. Medium-format cameras are already dense and compact, so Hasselblad may need to rethink internal layouts, introduce heat-dissipating materials, or optimize the body design for better airflow. Battery life is equally important. Photographers cannot afford frequent interruptions to swap power sources. The X3D150C may include a larger capacity battery or improved energy efficiency, ensuring long, uninterrupted sessions while balancing peak performance, thermal stability, and endurance. Design-wise, the camera is expected to continue Hasselblad's minimalist and refined aesthetic. Sleek lines, understated branding, and a premium magnesium alloy body have become synonymous with the brand and are likely to remain. However, integrating more powerful hardware and advanced cooling systems may result in a slightly larger or heavier form factor. Ergonomics are expected to remain a top priority, ensuring the camera feels comfortable in hand during prolonged shoots. Hasselblad's intuitive controls, tactile dials, and organized menu systems are anticipated to return, refined to match the expanded capabilities of this next-generation model, and to provide a satisfying, premium user experience. Autofocus, historically a weak point in medium-format cameras, is expected to see significant improvements. While the X2D made notable progress, the X3D150C could feature faster focus acquisition, improved low-light performance, and intelligent subject tracking, including face and eye detection. These upgrades would make the camera far more versatile, suitable for portrait, fashion, editorial, and even fast-paced event photography where speed and precision are essential. By narrowing the gap with high-resolution competitors like Fujifilm's GFX series, Hasselblad could appeal to a broader professional audience seeking both extreme resolution and modern usability. Video capabilities are another area where the X3D150C could shine. Although Hasselblad has traditionally focused on still photography, the demand for hybrid cameras continues to grow. A large medium-format sensor could produce cinematic footage with rich colors, smooth tonal transitions, and natural depth of field. If features like high-resolution video capture, professional codecs, and log profiles are included, the X3D150C could become a compelling tool for filmmakers and content creators as well, expanding its relevance beyond traditional still photography and giving photographers the flexibility to explore new creative avenues. Ultimately, the Hasselblad X3D150C embodies a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. It fuses the brand's Scandinavian design ethos with cutting-edge sensor and processing technology, offering the potential to redefine what medium-format cameras can achieve. If Hasselblad succeeds in balancing extreme resolution with real-world usability, fast and reliable autofocus, efficient data handling, and effective thermal management, the X3D150C could establish a new benchmark for professional imaging. With an anticipated release in 2026, it is poised to surpass its predecessors, reshape the landscape of high-end digital photography, and cement Hasselblad's position as a leading innovator in camera design and technology.